Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? This is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, and today I am making a lazy poor man's breakfast. When I tell you it's lazy and it's poor, we poor over here. Let me walk past the camera. Okay, I just want to make sure you see everything. I just got up, start cleaning up this kitchen. And I said, let me get in here and fix something. Then I said, oh, let me turn that video on. So I got some hash browns on. I got them down low. Let me see. I don't have them low enough. Oh, my goodness. I don't want to burn them up. Anyway, got my hash browns going. Got my bacon cooking. Had to put the bacon on already. I got some pancakes. I'm going to make some pancakes. I'm going to use the same pan for the pancakes. As a matter of fact, I'm going to move this bacon over to this pan right here. This is how I like to do it. Get it started in a bigger pan. Move it over to a smaller pan. This is my daddy's breakfast. His weekend breakfast. This is a poor man's weekend breakfast. So we having bacon, pancakes, eggs, and hash browns. Everything is quick, easy. You got frozen hash browns going over here. You got Aunt Jemima pancake mix. So how easy is that? You know, I do know how to make pancakes from scratch. As a matter of fact, I have an excellent recipe for scratch pancakes, and I'm gonna do a video on that. Oh my goodness! But since I got this Aunt Jemima, we're gonna do Aunt Jemima. We're going to finish this up, like I said, over here in this pan. Get rid of this grease. I don't just throw my grease away, my bacon grease, because I'm going to make some treats for my little Malik, my little dog. And I call them Malik's Treats. And with that, it calls for bacon fat. So I save the bacon fat. That's what I'm going to be using in Malik's Treats. Y'all know I do everything in the oven. Not the oven, but the sink. I just pour everything right here in this sink. This is good. This is ready. I hope you guys got a chance to watch my Hush Puppy video. I got that Hush Puppy video going. And Hush Puppies are nothing but Southern fried cornbread. All a Hush Puppy is a fried cornbread. People think that, some people, not everybody, some people think that it's different, but no, it's just a cornbread. That's all Hush Puppies are, cornbread. I love Hush Puppies, and I uploaded the video this morning, which is Saturday. Today is a poor man's breakfast, and this is a poor man's breakfast. I will mess up every pot in the house, but today, since I switched it over, I can just go ahead and do this. It's always good to have a second pot going. Turn this down just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to those hash browns, because we're not trying to skip on the flavor of that either. So a little bit of butter. And all I'm using is this challenge butter. I love this stuff right here, this challenge spreadable, because it's so easy. Just put a little bit on the top. And some people might say, oh, that's too much. You shouldn't do this. You shouldn't do that, girl. Girl or guy, we ain't skipping on no flavors over here. This is for my father. My father is 87 years old. And my daddy can have whatever he like. He can have all the flavor in the world. He can have whatever he likes. I just don't want to overdo it. And also, even though these are seasoned, back in front of the camera, y'all, I still like to put a little bit of extra. So this is nothing but a little lemon pepper, just to give it a little more flavor. And a little onion powder. My sister, she got me using onion powder. I never use onion powder. She got me using this stuff. I love it too now. Now I'm a fan. I am a fan of onion powder. So what you guys cooking today? What you guys having for breakfast? Everybody don't eat breakfast. I know I don't eat breakfast every day. And sometimes I want breakfast for lunch. No. Yeah, lunch. But no, mostly I want breakfast for dinner. Because you get tired of going to bed with all that heavy food. We've been taught and programmed for so many years and for so long, all our lives, that dinner, you have to go to bed on a heavy meal. And your heaviest meal should really be your breakfast. And why I say that is because you can burn it off throughout the day. Your next meal is your lunch. And you don't want it as heavy as your breakfast. And when you're getting ready for bed, your last meal should be your lightest meal. Your dinner should be very, very light. You should never have a heavy dinner. Okay, I'm going to turn this bacon off. This bacon is ready. Now I'm going to put it back here. I'm going to show you how I do these pancakes. Okay, I'm spraying this pan. Now I'm getting ready to do this pancakes. And I just make my pancakes until I use up all the batter. I use this Aunt Jemima pancake mix, and what I did with this is I added cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla, water, and that's it. This is really this Aunt Jemima is good. This is complete, and I also use this to make my waffles also. This is really good. So don't skimp on the Aunt Jemima. But like I said, I'm going to do that video on how to make your own homemade pancake mix. And it is, when I tell you it's good, it's that good. It's really, really good. Okay, I should have had this up a little higher, but that's okay. They're going to cook just the same. And what I do when I have the little leftover batter, I take the pancake mix and I just make all the pancakes. I don't put the batter in the refrigerator. I just make all the pancakes up. And so whoever wants pancakes later, you can just go heat you up some. And they're already cooked. Okay, just flip those pancakes over. I'm getting ready to walk across the camera, y'all. Okay. Let them cook for a few seconds. And then turn the fire off. This. Okay. These pancakes are ready. Just have to make sure. Okay. This is how I like to do them. While they're still in the pan, put the butter on there. Okay, got that butter. Wipe this off. Oh, let me get this eggs. I'm about to kill the eggs. Okay, turn them off. Now scramble. And try not to use anything that's going to scratch your... If you have nonstick pans, try to use stuff that's not going to scratch your pans. Don't put metal on your nonstick. Okay. These are done. Okay, we got the hash browns. It's just like we was at the restaurant. Without going. Save that money. Look in your freezer. See what's in there. And just get up and make you a quick 10-minute meal. Breakfast, I only cooked one egg because he doesn't eat a lot of eggs. And his pancakes, his hash browns, his bacon, and I have coffee over here. So this is breakfast, and I thank you guys for tuning in with me. I thank you guys for watching this quick, lazy, poor man's breakfast. Look in your freezer, see what's in there, pull it out, hook it up. Okay? And again, this is your girl Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Stuff I got going on over there. That's like that behind the scenes stuff. If you have not done so, please subscribe, like, comment, share, hit that notification bell so that others will know what's going on. Leave a message down in that description bar telling me what you think, telling me what you want to see. Let me know what it is you do. Okay? So with that being said, I'm going to finish up and get Daddy's coffee ready. I'm going to go cut up his food and I'm going to fix my daddy some breakfast. You guys have a good weekend and thank you again for tuning in.